Today I'm going to show you how to create online surveys with SurveyMonkey step by step so you can build and share a survey quickly even if you're a complete beginner. This is a really useful skill if you want to collect customer feedback, run polls, do research, or just ask your audience better questions. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to SurveyMonkey in your browser and open the homepage. Once you're there, look for the Create Survey option and click it. This is the starting point for building a new survey from scratch. On the next screen, you'll see a few different ways to begin. For this tutorial, click Start from Scratch. That gives you full control over the survey layout, the questions, and the answer choices. Now you'll be taken into the survey builder. Here, you need to add your first question. SurveyMonkey usually starts with a question type selection, and one of the most common options is multiple choice. Click the multiple choice drop-down menu to see the available question types. If you want more options, click View More. This opens up additional question formats, which is helpful when you need something other than standard multiple choice. From here, choose the question type you want. In this example, I'm selecting a single text box, but you could also use rating questions or other formats depending on what kind of feedback you want. A rating question is great for satisfaction scores, while a text box is better when you want someone to type a custom response. After selecting your question type your question into the question field. Keep it clear and simple so people know exactly what you're asking. For example, if you're collecting feedback, you might ask, "What did you think of our service?" Or, "How likely are you to recommend us to a friend?" Once your question is entered, click Save. Saving is important because it locks in your question and moves you to the next step of building the survey. Now that your question is ready, review it carefully to make sure the wording and format are correct. If needed, you can go back and edit the question type or change the text before publishing. This is a good moment to double check everything so your survey looks professional and easy to answer. When you're happy with the survey, click Publish Survey. This is the step that makes your survey ready to share with others. SurveyMonkey will prepare the survey for distribution and generate a shareable link. After publishing, click Copy the link. This gives you the URL you can send by email, message, social media, or embed on your website. Anyone with the link can open your survey and start responding. And that's it. You've now created an online survey in SurveyMonkey, chosen a question type, added your question, published it, and copied the share link. It's a simple process once you know where to click, and now you can build surveys for almost any purpose. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.